So in the previous video, we saw how to launch a campaign to get page likes. So that's what we did, and we actually created two ads to see how they are going to perform. So in this video, we are going to analyze in detail to see which is actually performing good and what is the cost to get page likes, and also if we can optimize that. That's what we are going to see that. Okay. So it's been more than a week right now which I have been running this, and I'm going to show you the results of this, and I feel the results are really impressive. So I'm sure you're going to love this as well. So this is the campaign, that is A2C Arts and Craft that we had created, and A2C Jan campaign. So let me just quickly show you. We had created the bid strategy as lowest cost. Okay. And we had spent set a budget of around 1 lakh. So we had given the lifetime budget of 1 lakh. So Facebook is spending roughly around 1,500 to 1,700 rupees per day. Okay. And as I said, you can actually set the budget whatever you want. If you want to set per day, you can certainly do that as well. Now you can see results. So this ad has got around 14,303 page likes, okay, to the Facebook page. And it has reached over 5 lakh people. Impressions are over 7 lakh. So that's the number of people to which this ad was shown. Okay. And cost per result. So here is something very interesting. So what it is saying is, we are spending roughly around 1 rupees 04 paise to get one page like. That means we are spending around 1 rupee to get a page like, which is really good, because sometimes there might be people who might be spending 2 to 3 rupees or even more to get a page like, but 1 rupee is really good, and it has been doing well is what I would say. And amount spent is around 14,894. So you could see roughly around 1 like for 1 rupee. That's what we have been getting. So this is the statistics. Now let's go to ad set and see some more details from there. Let me just click on ad sets. So this is something that we saw earlier. So what we are interested here is, so here it is saying 3-second video plays. There are 2,46,000 3 lakh views that have happened on this particular ad. Okay. And video percentage viewed, it's 30%. So 30% is average. Neither it's too good nor it's too bad. So it's performing decent, I would say. And video average play time, it's saying as 0.09 seconds. See, our ad is 30 seconds. So that's what it is indicating, that okay, 30% of the video is being watched. That's 0.9 seconds. Now this is, if this is below average, then you got to be really thinking that okay, you have to optimize your ad, or you need to create a better ad. Why? Because see, 30% is average. Now if you're getting maybe around 20% or below 20%, then it is really of concern. So in that case, you have to create a new ad, be more creative, and if you're using a longer ad, try to make it short and see how you can actually increase the average watch time. Okay, that's something that is going to help you get better page likes. Okay, now let's see ad set, because to see which is going to perform better, we had actually created two ads, right? So you could see, like, we had created A2C ad 1 and A2C ad 2. Now you can see the amount. Okay, let's scroll towards this. Okay, so budget using campaign, so it's going to take from the campaign itself. So what this means is, we are not setting a budget separately for both the ads. Whatever budget we have set in the campaign, it's going to take this, and Facebook is going to determine for which they need to spend more. Okay, so that's what is going to happen. So results, this ad one has got over 5,491 likes, and the other one has got over 8,812 likes. So why is it really different? Now here is something. Once we start running the ads, Facebook determines which is actually performing really better, which is getting a better watch time. Okay, which is that ad which is actually holding audience attention more. So it is going to play that so that we get much better results. Now let me show you with the data itself. Okay, so reach, again, this is something that we discussed earlier. Now you can see here cost per result. That means cost per like. In this one, A2C ad 1, it is 1 rupee 05 paise, and the other one is 1 rupee 03 paise. That means So this is slightly higher, okay, compared to A2C ad 2. That's where Facebook has been spending slightly more on this, right? So, and quality ranking. So this is something that you might have to check, okay? So quality ranking says like, okay, it's above average. That means the quality of the content or video, whatever we have created, is above average. Engagement rate ranking is also above average. Conversion rate ranking is also above average. That means conversion is something that where people come to see the ad and they become the page followers, or they are going to like the page. So it is saying it is above average. Now engagement rate ranking is decided on a couple of factors, like where how well they are connected to the content what we are putting across. Are they watching for a good number of duration or something like that? These are things which you have to pay attention. Now if any of them says that okay, it's average or below average, then you got to really think. But one catch there is, if your ad is still performing better even with average or below average either quality ranking or engagement ranking, then you really don't have to worry about it. But if it is not getting you good results, and just see these things and see how you can optimize it. Okay, so amount spent is around 5,000 and 9,000 on this. Okay, so page likes, it has got over 8,800 and 5,400 plus. So here is something you can see: video percentage watched. The A2C ad one has around 20% ad watch, okay, but the other one has around 34%, which is better than the other one. So that's where this is one of the other factor also, where Facebook is going to determine which is the ad that they have to show more. Correct. Now this has been getting better engagement. Okay, so that's where they have been spending more amount on this, which has been helping to get more likes as well. Okay, so you can see here it's 10-second ad that has been watched here, and it's only 6-second ad that has been watched on the other one. Okay, so that's how you see the results of it and then try to optimize. So I'm also going to try one more thing, where I'm going to create a 15-second ad and see how that's going to perform. See, both of them are 30-second ads which have really done well. So let me also give a try and create a 15-second ad and see if that is going to give a much better result. In the same way, one thing that you always need to remember is, the moment you create an ad and publish it, give at least 4 to 5 days time for you to see the proper results. Because on the first day, even the Facebook system would be still learning, okay, how to show your ad to the right people and things like that. So don't be in a hurry where you try to change the ad drastically in the first 2-3 days or something like that. Give at least 4 to 5 days time to analyze it. And when you create a new ad, keep running this old ad also for some time and see how the new ad is doing. And if you feel the new ad is doing much better, then you can slowly start cutting down the expense on this and start increasing the cost on that. So that's how actually you try and improve your ads every time, so that you get much better results. Okay, so with that, I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next one. Thank you. If you like this information, then please do hit that subscribe button and bell notification so that you don't miss any other videos from this channel. See you in the next video.